Welcome to Week 5 of Amazon Service of the Week series. Today we're diving into one of the most widely used AWS services, Amazon S3, a highly scalable object storage service. From storing backup data to hosting entire websites, S3 is a versatile and essential service in cloud computing. Let's see why S3 is the go-to choice for reliable, scalable, and secure storage. S3 offers features like highly scalable storage, that is, virtually unlimited storage capacity, making it perfect for businesses that need to store large amounts of data. Whether you need to store a few megabytes or petabytes, S3 can scale effortlessly to meet your needs. 11.9 durability. Amazon S3 is designed for 99.119% durability, meaning your data is extremely safe. AWS automatically replicates your data across multiple facilities, ensuring high availability and protection against loss. Cost efficiency with different storage classes. S3 offers a variety of storage classes to help you save on costs. You can choose Standard for frequently accessed data, or S3 Glacier for long-term archive storage at a lower cost. Some of its use cases are data backup and archiving. S3 is widely used for storing backups and archives. For example, companies often use S3 to store backups of their critical databases and long-term archives of their compliance-related data. Hosting static websites. You can even use S3 to host static websites, like portfolio sites or documentation pages. By simply uploading HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, S3 can serve your content directly to users without needing a web server. Let's see its comparison with traditional storage. Traditional storage systems often struggle to scale as your data grows, but with S3, scaling is seamless and requires no manual intervention. Management overhead. With traditional storage systems, managing hardware, data replication, and disaster recovery can be complex. S3 automates all of this, so you don't have to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Amazon S3 is the perfect solution for reliable, scalable, and cost-efficient object storage, whether you're storing backups or hosting a website. To learn more, check out the documentation linked below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more episodes of Amazon Service of the Week. See you next time.